This is the XD trailer hitch system from Inventive Products, and the whole idea here is one hitch with multiple attachments and thousands of uses.
One of the cool attachments is their patented swivel lock attachment. It allows you to get close enough, is good enough now when it comes to backing up to your trailer. And what I mean is you can swivel side to side, back and forth, so as long as you get close, you can hook up to the trailer. Once you pull away, it locks in place. It's a really cool feature.
Yep, the name of the game right here is turning your hitch into a useful tool, and that's what it's all about with the patented XD trailer hitch system from Inventive Products.
When towing a trailer, there's a few common problems that we all face. Now, first, there's backing up and being perfectly in line with that trailer tongue without having to get in and out of your rig several times. Next, there's getting the correct trailer ride height and having the right ball size for different trailers. And finally, having a trailer hitch that looks just as good as the rig that's pulling it. Now, thankfully, there's a company called Inventive Products that realized the frustrations of towing and have put a stop to all that nonsense and made it drop dead simple. Their new hitch design is called XD Hitch, which stands for Expandable Design. And what's great about this design is that once you have the basic setup, you can continue to add new accessories to your hitch, just like you do to your very own vehicle. For example, you can start with a ready-to-go kit and then add accessories such as a flame side pin or a step attachment. There's actually over 1,000 different combinations you can make with the XD Hitch. So what's so inventive about their solution when it comes to hooking it up to your trailer? Well, let me show you this cool attachment right here called the swivel lock hitch. It swivels a full 180 degrees from side to side and in and out, covering a 10-inch arc, giving you a large margin of error, so all you have to do is get your trailer close to the ball mount, swivel it into place, and drop it down. Then hop back into your vehicle and slowly pull away so it snaps into place. Now, how cool is that? The XD side pin not only allows you to adjust the vertical height of the hitch, but can also be customized with many different designs such as flames, animals, sports, and many more. The hitch itself comes in black or chrome and is available in 3 different raised and lowered lengths of 3, 6, or 10 inches and several different ball sizes. The XD side pins are super strong too, so you can trust it with your prized possessions in tow. They're manufactured from a T1 steel and are 38% stronger than 2 round pins. The hitch is V5 rated and capable of towing up to 10,000 pounds. They're also made right here in the USA. So if you're tired of hitch headaches, then you definitely need to get yourself hooked up with Inventive Products XD Hitch.
If you've got a truck and equipment, pulling a trailer is a fact of life. The problem is, what hitch do you buy? Well, Inventive Hitches has solved that problem with their XD Hitch. Rated at over 10,000 pounds, this is a complete hitching system that allows you to swap from towing balls to various other attachments in just a few seconds. The XD Hitch's expandable design allows you to design the hitch combination that suits your needs. One hitch, multiple attachments, thousands of combinations. To design your own hitch or find a dealer near you, go to InventiveHitches.com. Everybody knows that trucks are made to be used. And if you're not towing or hauling something in one of them, there's really not much point in having one. Now, the hauling part is pretty easy. You just throw stuff in the bed. But the towing part, well, that's a little more difficult, especially on something like this that's lifted. Fortunately, Inventive Hitches came out with a solution no matter what you're driving. Check it out. This is called the Brute XD Hitch System. And as you can see, there are a lot of accessories available for this thing. But the heart of this system is in this hitch right here. Now, this slides into your receiver and gives you up to 11 inches of adjustability up or down. So it is perfect for a lifted vehicle. It's also extremely strong. This is how it goes together. The ball is attached with this unique pin system that's not only extremely strong and lockable, but it also allows you to switch to a different size ball or other accessory in just a few seconds. Now, say you need to hook up a trailer, but you're by yourself. Now, what are you going to do? Well, they also have an option called the swivel lock, which allows you to move the ball forward, back, side to side, pretty much wherever it needs to go. So all you got to do is get the trailer in the ballpark, and the hitch will do the rest. So, if towing a trailer is something that you do a lot, well, you owe it to yourself to check out the Brute Hitch System at InventiveHitches.com. You'll be glad you did. Okay, we have onboard air, we have a winch, We have auxiliary electrical power, and we've got all the tools and straps and everything we're going to need to haul the biggest piece of junk up on this trailer. So I guess the next big question is, how do you hook the trailer to the truck? And there's two criteria here. Number one, it needs to be strong because we don't want it failing on us. Number two, it has to be adjustable because we want it to be compatible with whatever vehicle we choose to haul this trailer with. Check it out. One of the best hitches out there comes from a place called Inventive Hitches because it's not just a hitch. It's actually a complete hitching system that puts a whole bunch of options right at your fingertips. The heart of the system is this drop shaft that slides into the receiver and allows you the option of running the hitch up for lowered trucks or down for lifted trucks. With that in place, the style of hitch, a pintle, a swivel, or a ball, comes next. And you just place it where you want it on the drop shaft and secure it in place with this unique double pin system. Now, if you need a different size ball, all you have to do is pull the pin and turn it over, and you're ready to go. These options and adjustability allow you to match the trailer to the tow vehicle perfectly for a connection you can trust. And that's important when you go hunting a new project.
How many times have you backed up to your trailer only to find that you missed the mark? Pulling or pushing on your trailer is hard on your back and is often dangerous. Save your back, your time, and your trailer with a swivel lock hitch from Inventive Products. The swivel lock hitch has a rotating tongue with a 10-inch arc that conveniently swivels to meet your trailer. Simply lift the pull ring, swing the hitch ball under the trailer tongue, and lower the tongue onto the hitch. When you pull your truck forward, the swivel lock hitch automatically aligns the trailer behind the truck. The standard swivel lock is fixed height with full swivel functionality. The adjustable swivel lock hitch has an 11-inch vertical range, from a 6-inch drop to a 5-inch rise. With this flexibility, you can level most any truck-trailer combination. When not in use, this hitch can be rotated and stowed under the bumper. The swivel lock hitch can minimize stress for both commercial operators as well as the recreational user. So make life a little easier and buy a swivel lock hitch today.
Well, if you are looking for the total hitching solution for maybe your customers or maybe your family, look no further than Inventive Products, and I'm here with Chuck. And Chuck, I must tell you, out of the gate, we're very impressed with what you have here. A lot of smart guys brought a very easy solution to what can be a complicated project. Tell us a little bit about your company.
Well, Bill, everything starts with our platform. We wanted to create a hitch that a car guy or somebody that tows a lot could design a hitch that best fits their needs. So what we come up with is we call our XD Hitch, which stands for Expandable Design. Everything starts with our platform. So the first thing you would do is choose a platform in either a 3-inch drop or a 6-inch drop or a 10-inch drop. It's available in chrome or black. So that's the first thing you would do, is choose the length you want and the color that you like. Then the next step you would do is choose the ball mount you would want. And we have a black one. It can also be upgraded with stainless steel side plates so you can jazz it up, and fit your style.
And I noticed you had quite a few different side plates available as well.
Yeah, we have them. We have fish, we have footballs, we have flames, and we're just continually to add them as we go. We're even looking into the collegiate sports field. Your college football team could be on your hitch. We also have chrome ball mounts in several different sizes, but the one that's really been catching people's attention is our swivel lock. And the way this thing works is if you back up with your trailer and you're out of alignment, you just pull this pin up and you can move this tongue in and out, and you put it right underneath the trailer ball, you lower the trailer on it, pull forward, and it locks and you're done.
That is just a very easy solution to what used to be an age-old problem of towing.
We actually had a lady come by the shop the other day and came in and hugged me, and she says, "You've taken all the pressure off of camping with me and my husband. You don't yell at me anymore." And she bought the second one. So people call it the marriage saver.
They can get hitched with a marriage saver. All you have to do is really kind of get in the vicinity, and then you can hitch up, pull forward, locks in place.
Absolutely. This thing swings in about a 9-inch arc on either side, and it's just been going over gangbusters.
That is amazing, but that is not where it stops. You also can select something, kind of a side panel pin that's going to identify you.
Yeah, we have several different hitch pin styles, and this pin secures the ball mount to the platform. Here's the iron cross. Here's a flamed pin, and then this is the one that this is the one that I run on my pickup. It seems to garner a lot of attention. But not only do we have all these custom pins, but we have other attachments. We're in the snow country up in Idaho, and snowmobilers really like this step. It attaches to the platform. And what they like about it is before they get in the pickup, they can scrape their boots on it, the snow falls out. But it has another purpose, and that is we designed it to crush, so if it's on the back of your pickup and you back into something, this is going to crush before it causes vehicle damage. So we're always thinking.
Well, I tell you what, that's an excellent idea in that regard. And as I understand, you have not outsourced any of this. You have your own in-house production, engineers, lasers, CNC, and that's why you can really bring quality to the end product.
Absolutely. You know, we really believe we can compete with the overseas market. We've invested in our own lasers, robots, and turning centers. And, you know, the thing that I was telling you earlier is that when you buy from us, you're putting people back to work, and we're thankful for that. Every time one of these hitches gets sold, a bell goes off in our building, and it tells everybody that we got work for another day.
And the other thing is, made in America makes a lot of difference these days, you know, especially economic times like these. We know why we got into trouble, outsourcing everything, and you're helping America keep away from getting back into trouble because of that.
Yeah, I appreciate that. And not only, we also believe we can compete with them. We really believe that we can be as competitive. We have a sign in our shop that says quality is the first thing seen, service is the first thing felt, and price is the first thing forgotten. And that's what we're trying to do here, is bring quality and service into the towing industry.
Well, you've really done that with the whole package, but there's no way anybody can copy you. I mean, you have this patented system here, which everybody's going to fall in love with, maybe save a few marriages as well. But not only that, your whole system allows you to put your identity on your hitch, no matter if it's a pistol, some flames, a Maltese cross. The list there is pretty much endless because you have so many different pins. You can customize it to whatever you need.
Absolutely. We've even had, we had a customer from Canada that's called us, so we designed them a maple leaf, the Canadian maple leaf. We've also had other corporate companies contact us. We had a power company contact us, and we designed the power company logo in it so they could use it on their corporate vehicles so the hitch stayed with their vehicles.
And because you do it all in-house and everybody's right there at your machine shop, you are nimble enough to actually take care of special orders like that.
Absolutely, Bill. We're doers. We get things done. My company, we have an extreme sense of urgency, and we're not really worried how things were done 5 years ago. We want to know how they're going to be done 5 years from now, and that's just the way we're thinking. I can assure you, if you check back to the website, inventivehitches.com, about every 30 days you're going to see a new product coming out of the doors of our shop.
Easy enough. Well, Chuck, thank you so much for being on.
You bet. Thank you.